I think we're all really proud of the Intercounty Connector, that it's finally here. And yes, I'm trying to get the speed limit raised to at least 60. No, I was advocating for that before the ribbon cutting, because I could just envision that. And so we've heard from a lot of people say, why are the police cars around there stopping people going 56 miles an hour? And I said, well, it's not really 56, but I don't know. But that's one of the things. I brought this card. I want everybody to know and utilize the bus number ICC Maryland 200 bus fleet, and it goes from the Shady Grove Metro to BWI. The cost is $5 a person, and if you're over 65, I believe it's $3.20. I mentioned this at the Senior Center a few weeks ago, and somebody said, $3.20, let's take a trip. So maybe, but, and it goes on, I think it goes hourly, and you pick it up at the Shady Grove Metro or at one of the other places, the Park and Ride.
Here in the city.
Yeah.
We have 2 park and rides here that they pick up.
Yes, and and they also go to the, in addition to going to BWI Airport, one goes to Fort Meade, another is Columbia. Let's see, that one doesn't leave from Shady Grove, but some others are here, and that's one of the really good things. You mentioned one of the Park and Ride. One of your Ken Richter, one of your esteemed citizens in Gaithersburg called and let my office know that there was a lot of trash and junk around one of those. They thought that people maybe had been spending the night at that Park and Ride. And so we called the people at Maryland Transportation Agency, and they got on that right now, and I got a really nice letter back from him that he was very pleased with that. So I think that I mention this because I think it's important for the citizens watching to know that, let us know. Let the mayor and council know, let us know, and we'll do what we can to work on that.